W208. This is a 98. I was hearing some noises for like the last month or so, some rattling clicks and clacks, and I decided to check my belt here, and the puller, being that this is a common issue for a lot of Mercedes, BMWs, and Peugeots and Saabs and Audis, and I noticed that the belt here, for starters, is like literally the split. You can see right here that it's split. Then when I pulled it off, the tensioner there, right here, look at the pulley, it's like split in half. So this is what was causing the rattling here. So I'm gonna pull this off. Luckily I still have my my other CLK on there, and I'm going to cannibalize it and pull the part off and the belt and put it on here. This gotta be the original belt. They do last a long time. So it's not uncommon for them to last 15-20 years. So I'm just gonna pull mine off over there. I'm gonna order a new one and a new pulley. This is just until the other new parts get in. All right, so what you want to do is you want to get yourself a small screwdriver like this here, behind here, and the camera's gonna pick up. You see this little dust cover right here? Get right behind it. The camera's not gonna pick up on it, but it's hard with the get an angle. You get behind there, and then carefully pry it out. Sometimes it'll fall down on you, but once again, have yourself a baker's tray. You can put all your parts away. Now, most of the time, these types of bolts for these types of pulleys are going to be T50s, a torque T50, right, like this right here. Get it in there and just, they're not cranked, they're not real tight, so you can just pop it off. And again, some people elect to leave the belt on. It doesn't matter, you can take it off, because again, it bolts from the middle in between the right through the bearing, so this serves no purpose on removing this bolt right here. All right, it's a long bolt, so don't be startled when you see it come out. Just pull it off. Get over there. It's a really long bolt, so just, you got enough room here to get it out. Just pull it out here and just kind of like move this blade over, and there you go. There's the bolt there. Now when you reinstall it, you want to put some Loctite on here. You don't have to, but it's just good practice. Alright, so again, luckily I have my other CLK down there that it's gonna be the sacrificial lamb right now, so I'm gonna cannibalize it and put those parts down here, the belt too, because I already ordered a new one, a new pulley and a new belt, so for the time being it's gonna take a couple of days. All right, so I cannibalized my beloved Eleanor, and this pulley seems to be fine. The belt is fine. Surprisingly, after so many years it's been on there for over 15 years. So it's holding up, so I'm gonna put it on there. Hopefully it'll hold up until maybe the weekend, until my new parts come in. Installation is in the same order but in reverse. All right, torque it down to 20 pounds. Just over torque wrench, and most of these pulleys, for the most part, they're like 20-25 pounds. You don't have to get all retarded with it. All right, so the belt is on. I inspected the belt all around, no cracks, nothing fraying. Again, torque down the bolt to 20 pounds. Got the cap right here, I'm gonna put it on. Hear that little snap. All right, so it'll be all right. So this is an easy job. This is a common issue with these Mercedes. These pulleys, either they break down, the bearing goes bad. You start hearing a little rattling down there. Believe it or not, there's been people who have taken their car down to the shops, and mechanics preyed on them and told them that it was bearings inside the engine that was bad, when it was just this part, this pulley right here. So you know, learn your car, buy yourself a manual, get yourself a scanner, and learn how to work on your own car. Take care of her and she'll take care of you. I'm always doing a lot of maintenance, a lot of preventatives. So again, this belt's coming in this week, and the pulley's coming in this week too, so I'm not gonna worry about that for now. I'm a happy camper right now.